One of Ghana's most respected private legal practitioners, Akoto Ampaw, has died. The human rights activist and anti-corruption campaigner is said to have passed on at the University of Ghana Medical Center today, October 20, 2023. There's more in the following report.
Details on the cause of his passing are scanty, but social media is awash with tributes from some Ghanaians, including legal practitioners eulogizing the legal luminary. Mr. Ampaw was the lead lawyer for President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo during the 2020 election petition. He was also part of then-candidate Akufo-Addo's legal team for the 2013 election petition. Akoto Ampaw built an impeccable legacy in the legal fraternity. As a human rights activist, Akoto Ampaw recently joined hands with other individuals and civil society organizations to oppose the anti-LGBTQ+ bill currently being considered by Parliament. The director of the National Lottery Authority, Sami Ewuku, who served as youth organizer and organizer of the New Patriotic Party, spoke highly of how late Akoto Ampaw helped in the party's organization.
May the soul of this distinguished lawyer rest in peace. We have lost a very great soul. He was a man at the forefront of the presidential election petition for us, himself and lawyer Philip Addison. So it's a cocktail today, a mixture of tragedies and triumph. But we pray for the repose of his soul.
Mr. Akoto Ampaw is said to be loved across the political divide. Former Deputy Attorney General and MP for Bogatanga East, Dr. Dominic Ayine, urged young lawyers to emulate the life lived by Mr. Ampaw.
He was a very good lawyer, okay? He was a lawyer who had sympathy, in fact, he was a lawyer who fought for justice and for human rights. And he was a lawyer who thought of the common man. He did not place money at the center of his law practice, as I knew him. And so we are today paying tribute to him for his contribution to the bar and to the legal profession. I am hoping that of the number that has been called today, there will be many Akoto Ampaws who will take his place, and they will practice law with justice in mind and not with money as the centerpiece of their law practice.
CEO of the National Identification Authority, Professor Ken Atifwa, highlighted his impact to Ghana's legal system.
But Akoto was not defined by externalities. He was defined by content, by solid internal material. And that's what he shared with us. I think that's what endeared we, the younger ones, to him. His wig may be a subject of jest comment, but his wit was never a subject of adverse commentary. His wit was always a subject of admiration, and that is what we are going to remember him for.